Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making Lumpia Shanghai, quite possibly one of the most popular Filipino dishes worldwide. This food is so addicting that once you've tried one, you're going to want to keep reaching for more. Can't wait to share this simple recipe with you. Before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This will also allow us to continue to share our family's favorite recipes. Thank you for the love and support. On the next slide, you will see the ingredients and the exact measurements. Now we're going to mix all of the ingredients, making sure that everything is well combined. I'm using gloves, but you can totally do this with bare hands. Here's a tip. To ensure that the lumpia wrapper seals properly, you can make a thick mixture of regular flour and water. Now we're ready to wrap our lumpia Shanghai. There are a couple of different ways to wrap the lumpia. One way is to use the whole sheet of lumpia wrapper. I prefer the other way, which is cutting the wrapper in half, adding a spoonful of meat and veggie mixture, and rolling them up, leaving both ends open to allow the oil to penetrate through and allow the meat to cook evenly and faster. We make this a family activity by asking the kids to help out. This not only makes it bonding, but it also makes the wrapping process done in no time. Once you've wrapped all of the lumpia, in a separate pan, heat up some oil and fry them, while constantly flipping to ensure that they don't burn, and until they're perfectly golden brown. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. And now, we are ready to enjoy our Lumpia Shanghai. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!